This is where we ended on our last segment. Now come up to your feet. Walk back behind your trainer and give it a little turn so that it's facing the screen. And then come to stand to your right of the trainer, the right side of your mat. And pause, rooting down to your feet. We'll practice a little gentle balance using the trainer as a really nice connecting tool. Breathing in, letting go. And slowly lift up your left leg. Take your time. If you flex your ankle and squeeze in through your belly, that'll give you some stability, pressing down into your foot. Slowly, very gently, step into the center of the trainer. Take your time and shift your weight into your left foot. With your breath, guide your right knee up. Breathe in. Now you can use just your tippy toes. You can use the ball of your foot, or you might use your whole foot, but turn that right knee out to the side, making sure that your left knee doesn't go to the right as well. Left knee still faces forward. Into a bit of a tree. Bring your hands to heart center. You can add progressions to any of these movements, but for today, I'm just keeping them really, really gentle. Gentle is profound. I never had the patience for gentle. And I'm learning that in subtlety, in breath and awareness, there's great transformation, and I don't have to beat my body up to do it, to stay fit and healthy and whole. So from tree pose, bring your knee back to the center. Lift it up and put your weight back into your right foot, your right foot. Now lift that left leg out and come to a nice gentle star. And when we do this star, let's internally rotate the left leg bone so the knees and the toes point down, just to connect a little bit with the outside. That hip. Breathe in, reach up. Exhale, straddle the trainer. Take a little bit of a dip. And when you push up, take your weight into the left leg. Lift up your right leg. Swing that right leg behind. Ground the foot. Now, the right knee is pushing into the back of the left knee. And we'll bend the knees. And then we'll take the right hip and we'll push it back and to the right. Place the left hand on the thigh and take a circle with the right arm. As you bend your knees and press into your feet, notice what you feel through all parts of your body. It's not one focus, not one body part focus. And one more circle, breathing in. Relax. Stand up tall. Be present. Separate your feet back into mountain. Come close to your trainer. Accept. Surrender to the flow of your breath. Shift your weight into your left foot. Pick up your right knee. Flex the ankles. Draw the belly in. Breathe in. Step slowly inside. Shift your weight into your right foot. Pick up your left knee. Breathe in. Tap the toes on the trainer, the left foot. Turn the left knee out. Make sure you stabilize that right side. Think mountain pose with a turnout, not taking the whole body with it. Bring your hands to heart center. Let's breathe into tree. Relax. present. Accept. Locate your drishti. Be intentional about it. Your eye focus. Surrender to the process. It's not an intellectual process. It's a mystical process. Although there's a lot of science to it, we still don't understand everything. But we can participate and cooperate. Can you bring that left knee back to the center, please? And place your left foot on the floor, close to the trainer. Put your weight into your left foot. Lift your right leg out, send it out into star. Breathe in. Internally rotate the right leg. Breathe out. Feel your center be strong and stable. When you exhale, straddle. Lower for a moment. Just touch down and then come back up. Weight is in the right foot. Left leg sweeps behind, crosses behind. Left knee now is behind your right knee. You've got all four corners of your feet down. You're bending the knees and you're pushing out through the left hip. Left hip goes out towards the trainer and back. And then that left arm can circle. Right hand is supporting you on your right thigh. Breathe in, breathe out. Notice everywhere you feel something. And how you can participate with it. Cooperate with it. Go along with it. What we resist persists. What we let go of will flow. Breathe in. And we're back where we started. I'm going right into a bit of a nice, gentle inversion. Now, if you don't feel like doing FeetUp Asana today, feel free to do the legs up the wall, anything else. Just taking a gentle FeetUp Asana, nice and easy. Turning your trainer so you can be in a good spot. Without a lot of instructional stuff about the inversion today, I'm trusting that you've used other instructional videos for your FeetUp Asana. Take a moment to prep. Shrug those shoulders and let them go. Bend your knees and lift your heels up and down a few times. Squeeze in through your belly. Pull those elbows in. Pour weight into your hands and float into a tuck. Of course, you might feel a lot safer to pause this and put a wall behind you if you don't have one. Let's keep the heels in and start to lift the knees. Bring the weight onto the tops of the shoulders, off the back of the shoulders. And maybe we'll feel more of a connection, an awareness of the crown of the head towards the earth. Lifting knees, maybe we'll keep our heels in. Maybe we won't straighten our knees today. We'll just see what we can, if we can find vertical, create vertical actually, from ears to knees. So we can have a little bit more attention on the core. Maybe those feet will go up today. And let's start to roll back. Come back into the tuck. Heels to your glutes. Knees towards your chest. Back into the tuck. And then roll back onto the shoulder blades. So now you have lots of contact in your upper back, maybe your mid back even, and you can tuck your chin and this feels better to tuck your chin up a little bit, or you could let your head hang softly. And stretching the legs out so you can see your toes and admire those amazing digits and all that they do. Or looking at the ground or the wall. See if you can feel balanced here. Maybe touch one toe, maybe the other one. Let the legs come apart, let them be together. Remember, this is a gentle practice. This doesn't feel gentle to you. Take it out for today. Try it another day when you have some more energy to give to it. And then if you like, take a figure 4 in this position and see if you can enjoy rolling a little bit. Rolling your figure 4. You can even catch your shin on your elbow, on your upper arm. Nothing's strained, everything's gentle. Stretch that leg out. Put your figure 4 on the other side. This upside down version of a rolling figure 4 is kind of amazing. Hits us in all different directions, switching perspective on this posture that maybe we've done a million times. Maybe not this way. And of course, you know, always applies when you're ready. Ninja down, slow down, float down. How slow, how gently can your toes find the floor? And take a rest before you begin the next block of this gentle practice.